Just a quick little video here on installing external mics in our kit. So we have started including them in the kits again. So normally if you're sitting here, where's the closest part going to be to have like a good microphone? So it's probably going to be here, or sometimes it can even be above the wheel. But a lot of the time we just mount them up here. So this trim will always like pop off. Like sometimes if you have a handle here, if you like pop your two little, like see that handle there, if you pop like those two covers off, there'll be two screws and then that'll come off. And then the actual trim clip, the actual trim part here is just held on by clips. So you just like pull it, it'll pop off and then it will pull out of the bottom. Like sometimes you can use our trim tools to sort of help get in there and lever it down. And then what you want to do is you want to put our wire in the exact same track where the other wire is. So just in case you have airbags or anything in here. And it comes down here, obviously like run it under the dash and a backup behind the unit. And it just plugs into our mic plug here. So I've just got a bit of tape on there because I actually used like a screwdriver, just like taped on to help me get it through here because I couldn't fit it through. So I just taped it onto the end of a screwdriver and sort of gave me a bit more length to push it through. Now that's how you run the external mic. So all fairly straightforward. That's just how you put it in.